Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is JSON or JavaScript Object Notation. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys. If you are new, by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is JSON? JavaScript Object Notation or JSON is a standard text-based format for representing structured data based on JavaScript object syntax. It is commonly used for transmitting data in web applications, example sending some data from the server to the client so it can be displayed on a web page or vice versa. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what JSON is all about. Thank you so much for watching and supporting with my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.